No maiden flight yet with the SJRC F11 because I have a problem with it and I don't like to make videos like this, but Banggood asked me to do it. So here we go. So here we are again. Second purchase that I ordered with Banggood, the SJRC F11. It arrived this week after 9 days, but since yesterday I'm trying to charge this battery. It is to say, it has been charging all night. It doesn't charge at all. So, and that's what I'm gonna show here. I put it in. Isn't charged at all. Does it actually do something? No. That's it. That's all that it does after hours and hours and hours of charging. So yeah, this has to be solved. Thank you for watching. This is the process while charging. The little blue lit light blinking. Of course I could make it a time lapse of days and days and days. The battery just don't get any charge. With the provided cable from SJRC. I'm not intending to make a time lapse of a few weeks. Anyway, thank you. Meanwhile, I discover that the battery of the transmitter indeed gets a charge. So this battery is useless. It's a default battery. Thank you.